Hi guys, this is Siva Reddy. Welcome to Core Java Tutorials. In this session, I am going to demonstrate what is a class and object in Java with an examples. So let us go ahead and start this concept using an diagrammatic representation. Let us consider a bank account is going to be a class in Java. Now, as per the OOPS concepts, class is a blueprint or the prototype from where the object is going to be created, or it is going to be a representation of the prototype from by using this blueprint or the prototype. We are going to create a objects. It is a logical entity. That is the reason whenever you create any class in Java, the JVM or the compiler does not allocate any memory for it. Until you create an object, it does not allocate any memory. Okay, so now let us try to understand that bank account is a class from where I need to generate the objects. Bank account has the three properties, that is bank account number, customer name and balance, and also it has the two methods withdraw and deposit. These are two methods. So when I talk about when I want to create an object, it is going to have a state and behavior. So whatever the properties we are going to define here, these we are called as a state for an object. For example, bank account number, customer name and balance. These three properties are the state of an bank account object, and withdraw and deposit is going to be the behavior of that object. Okay, now let us try to create a Java class using this blueprint, and then we will see how Java implement this real-time object in the form of Java technology or the Java programming perspective. So I am going to my Eclipse. I am going to create a new class. So right click on the package, click new, and then click on class. Here I am giving a class name as bank account. Okay, and then I am clicking finish. Okay, now it created a bank account class. So in this class, my intention is I need to have a three member variables, that is private int bank account ID, and second one is private string bank account or customer name, and third one is private int balance. Okay, now this class has three properties, and then we have two methods, that is public void deposit In this I am just giving like a I am giving a statements deposit method, because I just want to demonstrate. That is the reason I am just giving an method. At the same time, I am going to say public void with the withdrawal system.out.println withdrawal method. Okay, so this is the blueprint of the class. Now by using this one, we are going to create an object. So now I am creating a main method in this class, so that it is going to help. By now I am creating a main method. Once I create a main method, I am going to create an object for this bank account. Now what I am doing is bank account 1 equal to new bank account. Now what happens is the bank account so far, until you create a object, it does not have any real existence. But once you create an object for this, that means it comes into the reality. By using this bank account, we can invoke the bank account 1 dot withdraw. That means using the object reference, we are going to invoke the methods. That means once you create an object, then only you can exhibit the behaviors. Okay, and then bank account dot deposit. Okay, like this you need to create an object. Okay, so far you are not much know about the how to initialize all these things. That is the reason I am not explain that concept. But remember, here the point is bank account is a class. It has the 3 properties and 2 behaviors. Until you create an object for that class, you cannot exhibit any functionality of the class. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am going to generate the setter getter methods for this member variables, so that you can set the values and you can display them in the methods. So I am going to generate setter getter methods for these 3 properties. By using these setter getter methods, what you can do is you can initialize these values of it. Okay, so it got the setter getter methods it got created. Now what I am doing is, here I am just printing the value while I am creating a deposit, right? Deposit method plus I am just giving a balance. I want to print the balance here, balance. At the same time, for the withdrawal also I am just getting the balance. Okay, once you create a setter getter methods, you can initialize these properties. So bank account dot set account ID. Okay, now 101 I am just giving a one sample input, and then bank account dot set main thing is balance we want, so 1000 rupees I am giving. Okay, so when I am setting these 2 properties, when I call the withdrawal method already we are trying to get the balance, hence it is going to print the balance. So now run this program. You can see that output as withdrawal method is 1000 and deposit method also 1000. So at high level, once again I iterate, the class is a blueprint or the prototype from which the objects are going to created, and class is a logical entity. Without creating an object, there is no use of actually you cannot do anything with the class. Okay, and the next point is the object is an physical or the logical entity. It has the state and behavior, and the states are represent whatever the properties defined in the class, and behaviors is going to define whatever the methods you are implementing in the class. So these will exhibit the behavior. Once you create an object using the new keyword, then the class will coming into the existence. Now the object is going to be, that means whenever it create a new, then it will create a memory, and then you can initialize those variables, instance variables, and then you can perform the operations over the method to exhibit your functionality. Hope this object and the class concept is clear. If you have any questions, comment on my YouTube video. If you really like my videos, hit like button, and please subscribe for more updates over the Java technology videos. Thanks for watching.